What's up guys, DUBB. Welcome to my channel. So just pick up 2002 Toyota Celica GT. I crashed my 2000 Toyota Celica. So I got this one here so I can use it for work. And let's tell you all the pros and cons about this car right here. So I got this car, it came with these kind of metal wheels on it, and you can see the tire is pretty much bald, and they took the rear tire and put it to the front, so it got little treads on it. But the problem is they're not evenly worn because it has bad struts. Can't really see right now. Clear coat is coming off on the tail and the bumper and the little rear spoiler. A lot of scratches on it, but this is cosmetic. I can fix it. And bad brakes, bad suspension, bad tires. The driver's seat actually is not too bad. The passenger got some spots right there that is the fabric a little chewed up, and got a hole in the shift knob area, and a lot of scratches here and there, and the steering wheels are worn out. But good thing is my donor card I got over there got a lot of parts, but still I got to do a lot to this car to bring it back to the condition I want it. So right now the mirrors, you can move it a little bit, but it's not working correctly. So I hope it says the button is faulty. This one doesn't have a sunroof on it like the one I got. And see what else. These door lock right here, they don't work. Let me push the button for you. They don't do anything. You can hear the actuator kicking in. I guess one good thing about it, it comes with a remote, so you can lock it, unlock it. That makes it a little handy. Okay, whatever that is. Maybe I'm not supposed to push the button when the door is open, but it's not working. So I gotta fix all the internal parts. The windows, they do go up and down. That's good. And the inside of the car is pretty filthy. So I gotta give it a little love, clean it up and everything. And here's the front of the car. Got a big old spoiler in front of it. Basically it's hollow, there's nothing in there, so I need to find a mesh netting or something, do something to protect the condenser in there, because the condenser is pretty much shot. Oh, another con is the AC doesn't blow cold air, so I'm pretty sure it's like one of these reasons there. And let's go take a look at the engine. So this car resides out in the Bay Area, next to the ocean. You got like rust in different spot, a lot of oxidation on the aluminum, on the alternator and the engine mount. Engine is pretty dirty. There's rust spot in a few places. And this rust right here. So I need to take it apart and try to make it as clean as possible. So some of these parts right here, maybe I can just take it from my old engine and replace them, because I don't like to see these rust spots here. The struts are no good, so I got new struts in the other car that I can transfer over. I'm gonna take a lot of parts from the other car. The wheels, the struts, the brakes, and probably the condenser and the radiator, because they are new in that car. And maybe down the road yank this engine out and put the other one in, because this one only got about like 150,000 miles, but it look a little beat up and everything. But other than that, so this car has potential to be my commuter car. Just need to give it a lot of love, I guess. And windshield wipers are shot and everything. And today's raining. I got this car from Nevada, and I was driving home. It was kind of scary because of the ball tires, the bad suspension, not so good brakes, bad windshield wipers, and but I made it home. I almost pissed my pants, but I made it home. But yeah, this is my project that I got going on. I mean, the good thing is I got it home. I guess that's one pro. Maybe the second pro is blue, so it matched my other car color. So if I need any kind of door panels or whatever, it's the same color. Yeah, so there's more cons than there are pros. Yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it on it. I haven't jacked up the car and take a look at the bottom, the undercarriage, to see if there's any rust down there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to give you a little update on my new project that I got going on. And I'll give you an update on my next video on some of the thing that I will do to it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.